Kim, inalay sa yumaong boss ang bagong serye. Base sa mga posting ni Kim Chu, talagang ramdam na ramdam kung gaano siya naapektuhan sa pagpanaw ng Dreamscape at malaking bahagi ng ABS-CBN na si Deo and Drinel. Ang PH adaptation na Korean drama na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim ay ipalalabas na at hindi nga raw makapaniwala si Kim na ilang araw na lang ay e-ere na sila. At sa Instagram post ni Kim, inaalay raw niya ang serye nilang ito ni Paulo Avellino kay Deo. Sabi ni Kim, "But before anything else, I want to offer this show to Sir Deo. Yesterday was his 40th day, and I still could not believe he is gone. He was one of the most down-to-earth bosses in ABS-CBN, one of the most brilliant minds, and like a father who always looked after his children." Napanood pa raw ni Deo ang rushes ng serye nila kahit na may sakit na ito. "This is the last show he entrusted me with, and that Dreamscape of Fam told me he watched the rushes of the show before he left. I remember he messaged me about how happy he was after watching the clips. I didn't know that time that he was already in the hospital, fighting for his life." Ipinost din ni Kim ang video kung saan, makikita sila ni Deo at kung paano proud daw ito nang gawin niya ang linlang. Sabi pa ni Kim, "Sir Deo, I promise to always make you proud. Most especially playing the role of Secretary Kim. Even though we can't see you, I know you're watching over us in heaven. I love you, Sir Deo. Thank you for all the trust and love. I miss you very, very much. We offer this show to you."